Alright, here's another fan. This is a Toastmaster 16-inch oscillating table fan. The model number is 4516. I gotten this from my grandfather's house a while back now. So I've been having it for a while. Runs okay. It's not the most powerful fan of my collection, but I mostly like this fan for the design. It looks very similar to a Lakewood fan, and for some reason you don't see too many of these Toastmaster fans. I mostly see Toastmaster box fans more often than their table fans, oscillating table fans. Not sure why that is. I only have like one other Toastmaster fan that is a table fan. So definitely, like I said, it's definitely not the most powerful fan, and it's probably due to the plastic grills. It's not metal. That restricts a lot of airflow. But the plastic on here is actually not that flimsy. Not as much as a Lakewood fan. The plastic on here seems to be more durable than the Lakewood fans. But yeah, I mostly like the fan for the looks of it, the design. They don't make them like this anymore. It's a thing of the past now. So go ahead and look this fan over and we'll turn it on. There's the front. Toastmaster logo. There's speed controls. It has like a wood finish to it. Or obviously it's not real wood, but it's just a sticker. But still, it's designs where they don't have anymore. Deluxe oscillating fan. Here's the side. It's interesting that it has a side vents on the motor cover here. Don't see too many fans that have that. And for a plastic fan, it definitely has some weight to it. Mainly probably because of the motor. There's the back. The bottom has some kind of metal plate here. The information is on here, but it's very hard to see. It's integrated into this metal plate. I don't know if that's gonna make it any better. You see model 4516. Yeah. Well, there's that. Here's the plug. It is polarized, So maybe it's from the 90s, perhaps. Alright, plug this in. And we'll turn it on low. It does have a shake to it. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Blades must not be balanced right. It blows a gentle breeze. Like I always say, it's still better than today's fans, though. Still better than today's fans. Alright, we'll go to medium. And high. Turn on the oscillator. And we'll turn it off for a spin down. This has the longest spin down out of all my vintage fans. And fun fact, this fan had really bad bearings when I first got it. Bearings were almost locked up. It was very dirty. But after cleaning it and oiling it, this thing turned out really well. Well, there you have it. A Toastmaster 16-inch oscillating table fan. Model 4516.